Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. You know it is JJ and JJ's PC Builds. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Y'all know what I mean by 4,000 watch hours. Watch the video from beginning to end, would be much appreciated. And also, too, if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And welcome to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the JJ's PC Builds family. Okay, I'll tell you what we're going to do today. We're going to do a short video. I turn around and I pre-recorded because of OBS and everything running. I want to do this benchmarking without OBS running. I wanted to close everything off and just run it out and see, what it can do. So I was able to record it so that way I can play it back to you all. I want you, and this is not a fake recording. This is real deal. I put this all together. I just wanted you all to look at it real quick. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go to my action screen. And I'll let y'all see it right from here. Now we'll go ahead and play it. And let y'all see. Now, like I was telling you all before, it does reach 3 gigahertz. Okay? I was able to reach 3 gigahertz with no problem. As far as the power wise, it was only doing 182 watts on the GPU. The temperature came up when I did this because this is what I call a stress test. So I ran 2 tropicals and I ran 1 Furmark, so all 3 in total. I was able to get the clocks up above 3 gigahertz. So that tells me, what I can do to, max it out. But as far as the memory wise, that's something that, in gameplay, I'll have to find out from there. But far as for right now, bringing the clocks up and everything else, the RTX 4070 is, is doing its diligence. So, definitely it's not artifacting, and that's a plus. That's definitely a plus. Just to let y'all know that, you can't beat it. I think this test right here, and other than doing some gaming testing, this will be probably the last test I have to run on this to see if it's actually, gonna sustain its continuous timing. I've already ran a 10-minute stress test on it before. Also, too, when it gets up to a certain degree, the clocks are going back and forth. That's all depending on where it is in the tropical. I noticed that when it was in different scenes in tropical, it was raising it and lowering it. So some scenes take more GPU than others. So it downclocked right now. It's not due to the heat because, that's not even reaching the percentage of, it's not even reaching 84%. In truth and reality, it's not reaching 84C, basically. It's not even getting close to 90C. So it's 131F. So it's that right there. That was me. That was my boo-boo. But I seen what I needed to see when it comes to the testing of this. And, you know, I am very impressed with it. So I just turned off the test and I was done with it. So, and I just got out of all of it. So, and that's the clocks I'm left with. And that's how I had it clocked, as you can see. It wasn't even put any higher or any lower than that. So, I mean, we can scroll through it real quick. And as you can see, I have it on plus 250, 225, and I have it at plus 600. The power limit I never touched, and the temp limit is 84C, never touched. That's stock. I only put this up 400 more clicks, and I only put this up maybe 25 clicks, and that was it. So, as you can see, it's not much to it, and that is that. Okay, let's go back to this. My finale for this is this. Okay, that's all the testing I need to do on this. Will it work great for games? Yes. I've done put this through hell in itself. And also too, today I went to Asus's website. It had a BIOS update. It went from the 3810 to the 4002. So obviously the 4002 is running great and not having a problem, just to let you know. So what we'll do is I'll show you really quick. We'll go ahead, we'll just flip over to right here, and we'll go to Asus.com. Asus Global. Go to support. Download manual drivers. Model, just type in B450. M.2 right here. Go to drivers and utilities. Boom, there it is. Simple as that. This one was 3/21/2023, and it's updated the Azija, however you said, version 2 combo V2 PI1208. Mitigate the AMD potential security vulnerabilities from AMD Athlon processors and Ryzen processors. So it tells you before you use the flashback to rename the file with BIOS renamer. We know that, you know, it's not hard. And make sure, and I'm going to say this really quick, make sure if you're going to do BIOS renamer, we'll get out of this and we'll go back to the main screen. If you're going to do a BIOS renamer, make sure you use this. Make sure you use a USB drive and do it off of a USB drive. Plug it into your system. Well, plug it into your system, restart the system. You know, if you know already how to do this, I'm sure you already know how to do this. I don't have to explain it to you. So I do it right from the inside the BIOS. You know, it has the tools page, and then it has for, you know, system utilities, and then, you know, go from there. So I don't want to make this a long video. I just wanted to do a short video to make this a last testing video. So, and I hope you all enjoyed it. But as far as I see, I don't need to do no more testing on the RTX 4070. I think it's pretty much done. Only test I'm going to do next is on Second Life. That's my last test I'm going to do on Second Life, and then I'm just going to have fun gaming on it, and whatever else I need to do, but that's pretty much it. I mean, there's nothing else to it. I mean, nothing else. So, but if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe and make sure you watch all the videos from beginning to end. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. We'll go ahead and dive out of here real quick. I just wanted to make this video really quick for you this evening, so this way, I can post it and say, hey, this is the pretty much the ending of the thing. You all see that it hit 3 gigahertz. No problem. That's what I wanted to show you. I didn't want OBS running when I did that, because I wanted all the system to, basically clock up and do what it needed to do without anything running in the background. So OBS wasn't running. I ran it off of a Microsoft Recorder, I think that was. I think that was Microsoft Recorder. I think. Yeah, that was Microsoft Recorder. So, but anyway, y'all have a fine evening, morning, or wherever the case is. This is JJ on JJ's PC Builds. We will see you on the next one.